Good morning, friends. Today our topic is computer networks, and this is computer network part 10. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss some question answer based on computer network. Actually, we discussed a few of them in our last lecture, and in this we discuss or we continue these types of numericals in this lecture. So, first of all, question number 1, and that is question number 74 of your book. And this says that Vidya for All is an educational NGO. It is setting up of its new campus at Jaipur for its web-based activities. The campus has 4 buildings as shown in the diagram. So there is an educational NGO here, and they want to setting up a new campus at Jaipur. So Jaipur, and the campus has 4 buildings in it, and the buildings are main campus, resource building, as you can see, training building, and accounts building. These are the 4 buildings in it. And second thing which is given in this question is center to center distance between various buildings as per architectural drawing. So distance between different buildings are also given here. Main building to resource building 120 meter, and main building to training building 40 meter, main building to account building 135 meter, resource building to training building 125 meter, resource building to account building 45 meter, and training building to accounts building 110 meter. So these are the distance between different buildings given in your question, in this question. Next part that is given in this question is expected number of computers in each building are also given. In main building 15 computers, resource building 25 computers, training building 250 computers, and accounts building 10 computers. So we can easily see that in training building there are 250 computers. Now question regarding to this is, first of all, suggest a cable layout of the connection between the buildings. So cable layout, basically we solve this question according to that data that is given, the distance between different buildings. Next is suggest the most suitable place to house the server for this NGO and also provide a suitable reason for their suggestion. So the question basically contains 2 parts. First of all, the most suitable place to house the server, and second is reason behind it. So both are the part of same question: suitable place for server and region. And third part, suggest the placement of the following devices with justification. And there are 2 devices in it: repeater and hub or switch. So they may be hub, or there may be hub or switch or repeater. Where you place repeater or where you place switch, and why you place repeater and switch in this networking. And fourth part is the NGO is planning to connect its international office situated in Delhi. Which out of the following word communication links will it suggest for a very high speed connectivity? So there is a option: telephone analog line, optical fiber cable, or Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable basically refers to coaxial cable here. So first of all, the distance between cable layout connection, we can easily see that this is the cable layout connection, and you can see that this buildings is not directly connected to each other, even not this is, they are not directly connected to each other, or they are removed in your answer. So why they are removed? First of all, just draw all the buildings and just write difference distance between them. As we can say that main building to resource building, this is main building and this is resource building, distance is 120 meter. So distance is 120 meter in it, and after that 120 meter, and main building to training building distance is 40 meter. And main building to account building, this is given as 135 meter. And resource building to training building, this is given as 125 again. And resource building to account building, it is 45 meter, this is 45 meter. And training building to account building, this is 110 meter, 110 meter. So these are the distance between different buildings, and you have to connect all these buildings. And second question is related to server. So question is basically, suggest the most suitable place building to the house the server for NGOs, also provide the suitable reason for installation. So as we can see that training building have maximum number of computers, 250 computers are there, so we place computer in it. And why we solve second part before first? Because in our mind, always keep in mind which building is used for server or server house. So always try to connect these buildings directly. So server house, so we actually here try to connect directly to training building, each and every type of building. Now you can see that training building and main building distance is 40 meter, and this is the smallest distance. So here, without any hesitation or doubt, we can directly connect training building to main building. And second is, distance between main building and resource building is about 120 meter, and we have to connect main building and resource building to each other, and distance between is 120 meter. And to connect training building through resource building, it is 125 meter. If we connect directly training building to resource building, then to connect resource building to main building, distance is 125 plus 40, it means around 165 meter. So and if you connect main building to resource building directly, it is 120 meter. So indirectly it is 165 meter, and directly it is 120 meters. 120 is much less than 165, so just try to connect main building to resource building directly, that is 125 meter. And distance between main building to account building is around 135 meter, 135 meter. And if we connect main building to training building to account building, it is around 140 meter. So 110 meter, 110 meter plus 40 meter is equal to 140 meter. So directly it is 140 135 meter, and indirectly it will take 110 meter. So actually 110 meter cost, because you already connect these two buildings, so 40 meter cable is already used, but you have to use the 110 meters. So you can directly connect 110 meter to this, or you can connect main building to account building via a cable of 135 meters. So since training building, uh, we basically training building work as a server room, so you can connect directly training building to other buildings. And but as we can see in the answer that that main building is directly connected to account building. And in last part, resource building and account building, distance is 45 meter, distance is 45 meter, and it is eliminated because, and why they are eliminated, because this account building is 135 meter and this is 120 meter. So 135 plus 120 meter is around 255 meter. So 255 cable meter, 255 meter cable is used, 255 cable meter is used. So if we want to connect these two buildings, so let us check the distance between these two. We have already connected this, and we have already connected this. So distance between is basically uh, Main building to account building, the distance is, wait a minute, main building to account building distance is 135, distance is 135 here, distance is 135 here. And main building to resource building, main building to resource building distance is 125 meter. So they are already connected to each other, so distance is totally is 155 meter, 155 meter. So when you already connect all these two buildings, then there is no need to connect all these. So this is the answer given in a book. But let us check another option. We don't use this building, this connection, and just connect these two. Then what is the answer? Let's check. And the advantage of to connect this is training building to account building is that account building is directly connected to training building, which possesses server. So the now all buildings are directly connected to each other, but in this case there is a small problem, that account building to connect account building to resource building, first of all we have to connect account building to training building, and then training building to main building, and then after main building to resource building. So path is too much long in this case. So we also use here another option is to connect this and this and eliminate this and this. And let us check what is the total length required. First of all, main building to training building, main building to training building, main building to training building, distance is 40 meter, and training building to account building distance is 110, and training building to resource building, training building to resource building, resource building to training building distance is 125 meter. So overall the length which we require of cable is 110 plus 40, 150, 150 plus 125, 375 in this case, and all buildings are connected to each other. Training building, account building, training building is directly connected to resource building, account building and main building, and resource building is indirectly connected to account building using training building, and main building is indirectly connected to account building using training building. So length is 135 meter, and the answer which is given, let us check the distance of cable, length of cable in this. Our second option is 135 meter. So in this we can easily see that main building to account building, main building to account building, and distance is 135 meter, distance is 135 meter, and it is very high because we connect using 135 meter cable. Our answer is, let us check our answer again. We connect here because there is a much difference, very big difference. uh, Training building to account building, training building to account building, 110 meter, 110, then okay 110, and training building to account building 110, and main building to training building, main building to training building 40, and main building to resource building, main building to resource building 120. So answer is here. Our answer is this: training building to resource building, training building to resource building, or resource building to training building 125 meter, and training building to main building 40 meter. So our answer is, remember our answer, 150, 250, 110 and 110 plus 40, 150, 150 plus 100, 350, 325, 350, 375. Our answer is 375. So we use cable length of 375. 375. This is our cable length, and according to this solution, the cable length is main building to training building. We can see that 40 meter, and main building to resource building, main building to resource building, this is 120 meter, and main building to account building, this is 135 meter. So the distance is around 120 plus 40, 160, 160 plus 35, 160 plus 35, 195 plus 100, 395. So the answer given in your book is 395, and we use only 375 meter cable. So the answer which I suggest is the more accurate than the answer given in this. Sometimes the cable distance in two different answer is not very um, there is a no not much very big difference, then both of the answer is correct. But here keep in mind two things. First of all, try to reduce the cable length, and second thing, try to connect the building which have a server room, which have a server or server house, to all these buildings directly. We use both of them, and both of the concept, we minimize the distance, that is 375 in this case, and also all the buildings are directly connected to the server. So that is that in all the cases our answer is more accurate than the answer is given in this book. So in this type of question, sometimes your answer may be a little bit different as given in a book, or as given as provide as answer provided by uh, different authors. So this doesn't marry this doesn't um, makes any sense in it. So it's in this type of question it is possible that there are two different answers. So don't worry about that, just calculate, focus on only two things. First of all, reduce cable length, and second thing, try to connect directly to the server room. In this case especially, all the buildings are directly connected to the server house, that is in a building training building, and the cable length is also reduced 375. If this type of calculation is at a part, then your answer is correct. Otherwise um there is an incorrect answer. So first of all, try to connect all these buildings to each other, and make different solutions, that how can you reduce the cable length, and try to connect all these building directly or whether indirectly to each other. All buildings should be connected to each other, and then take the minimum length which is available in different option, and that option which contain the minimum length is also your answer. In sometimes it may be possible that you connect the server room directly, server house directly to the other building, and indirectly in second case, but difference is about 10 meter or 20 meter in cable length. Then that is not also a very that is not a matter. In that case both the answers are correct in that case. So I think now it is clear to all of you that how to connect different buildings. Just try to connect all these buildings and reduce or reduce those paths which contain maximum number of length of cable, and try to connect with minimum length. This is the answer. So two parts are done here. Next is third part. As for third part is basically related to um, repeater and hub and switch. So switch is used within each and every building, because switch is used to connect computers within a lab, within a building. So, and it is an intelligent device also. As far as hub and switch, difference between hub and switch is concerned, hub is an intelligent device, that is this that it send data to a particular computer, but hub basically broadcast the data. So between hub and switch we use switch, and there is a choice between hub and switch, so we use switch here. And second is use of repeater. Answer is basically concern related to this diagram. So main building to account building, if distance is more than 100 meter or around 100 meter, you use repeater. And the use of repeater is to regenerate the signal or amplify the signal or strengthen the signal. So use repeater where distance is about 90 meter to 100 90 meter to 100 meter. So use repeater to amplify the signal. Next is last part. The NGO is planning to connect the international office situated in Delhi. Which out of the following were communicated link will you suggest or for a very high speed connectivity? Telephone on analog line, optical fiber, or Ethernet cable? So obviously there is no doubt at all. Ethernet cable, optical fiber cable is the best answer. Throughout the unguided media, optical fiber cable is the best. So we here use optical fiber cable. Let us take another example. 75, question number 75 of the book. Fresh Mind, see, University of India is starting the first computer in Anna Nagar of South India with its center admission office in Kolkata. The university has three major blocks comprising of office blocks, science blocks and commerce blocks is in 5 km area campus. As a network expert, you need to suggest the network plans as per 4 to the authorities keeping in mind the distance and other given parameters. So Kolkata office, admin office here, and this is Fresh Mind University and another campus. There are three blocks: commerce block, office block and science block in it. And distance between difference distance between different blocks are given here. Office block to science block 90 meter, office block to commerce block 80 meter, then 15 meter, and Kolkata admission block to another campus 2450 meters. An expected number of the computer to be installed at various locations in the university are as follows: 10, 20, 38. These are the different number of computers. Now first question is suggest the authorities the cable layout among the various blocks inside the university campus for the connecting the blocks. So this is the answer. First of all, connect all these blocks to each other and minimize the cable length. The option which have minimum length of cable is the cable layout network. So in this question, this is the answer. First of all, draw in a copy. If your answer vary to this and this and difference is much more higher, then your answer is correct. But if it is almost same or it is same or the distance is 10 to 20 meters, then both answers should be considered as correct. Next is second, the most suitable, suggest the most suitable place to house the server for this university. To for server, we check actually, we only check maximum number of computers. So maximum number of computers are in science block. The server house is in science block. There is no doubt at all. Science block. And why we use server room? Because there are two reasons behind it. First of all, reducing the cable cost and increase the efficiency of the network. Reduce the cable cost and increase the efficiency of the network. And part third, suggest an efficient device from the following to the installed in each of the block to connect all the computers. So to connect all the computers within a building, we use switch. That is same as that of previous question. And next is suggest the most suitable very high speed service to provide data connectivity between admission office located in Kolkata and campus located in Anna Nagar universities. And we can see that distance between these two campuses around 2450 kilometers. So without any hesitation, our answer is satellite connection, because for this type of distance we use only unguided media, and within unguided media we use satellite connection. Next is question number 68. And this is the last question, numerical regarding to this computer network. There is a company EPG is an online corporate training provided company for IT related services. The company is setting up their new campus in Mumbai. As you, the network expert, have to study the physical location of the various building and number of computers and the number of computers. The company is setting up a new campus in Mumbai. As you, network expert, you have to study the physical location of the various building and the number of computers to be installed. In this planning phase, provided the best possible answer for the question queries. Remember that best possible answer. Provided answer for these queries 1 to 4 raised by them. So there are 3 building: finance building, faculty study building, and administrative building here. And the distance between different buildings are given here. And number of computers given in different buildings are also given here. Faculty study buildings have higher number of computers as compared to administrative building and finance building, and it is 120 meter. So first question is, suggest the most appropriate building where EPG should plan to install the server. So no doubt about it, faculty study building is our answer. Let us check what is the answer. Install the faculty study and maximum computer. EPG should install the server in the faculty study building. Okay, that is correct. Next is suggest the most appropriate building cable layout to connect all these buildings for more efficient communication. So EPG should have to install the server faculty study building as an unity. So that is the connection between it, between these 3 buildings. Building finance, finance building to administration building, the distance is around 60 meter. And this is simple question as far as previous question is concerned as compared to the previous question. Finance building to faculty study building, finance building to faculty study building, that is 70 meter. And distance between administrative building to faculty study building 125 meter. Okay, so 125, no need to connect administrative building to finance study building directly, because it need 120 meter cable, which is very high as compared to the indirect connection, because when we indirectly connect it to administrative building to faculty study building, it is around 130 meter. So no need to connect administrative building to faculty study building using cable of 120 meter cable. So that is the correct answer. And also financial building, faculty study building, server is in faculty study building. So administrative building is indirectly connected to faculty study building via finance building. Third question regarding to this is, which of the network out of the following is formed by connection the computer of these 3 buildings? Connecting the computer is these 3 buildings. Of course, LAN is the answer. LAN is used for local area network, term used for local area network, and within 10 kilometer, maximum of 10 kilometer, we can use local area network, and here distance is around 130 meters. So LAN is the best option without any hesitation or doubt. If it is around 10 kilometers, then of course we think, but 130 meters, so LAN is the only one answer, one and only one answer. Which is the type of the following formed by the connection the computer of these 3 buildings? This is the third, okay, part third. Next is, which wired channel out of the following should be opted for EPG to connect the student of all over the world? All over the world. So all over the world you have to connect via satellite, because there is much very big range of satellites in comparison to infrared and microwave. So these are the numerical based on computer network. I hope you understand all this concept. Just try to solve it, especially the question related to cable layout network. Try all different possible paths or routes and minimize the cable length, and which option which provide you minimum cable length is your answer. Rest I think rest part as far as install server or local area network or local LN when related questions, there is no problem at all. And also when there is a question of type such that where you want to use a switch or repeater, that is also a very simple question. Within a computer, within a lab, we use switch to connect all the computers, and repeater used to basically to regenerate the signal. So thanks for watching this video.